What's going on, guys? Just doing an unboxing video. I'm actually watching this right now. If you haven't seen this movie, Dark Night of the Scarecrow, 1981, I believe. Awesome movie. Check it out. It's on YouTube for free. So, I usually don't get a lot of mass-produced masks. I really try to steer more on the independent market, but I've always wanted a mask from this movie. Sorry, I have a cold if I sound kind of stuffed up. I've always wanted a mask from this movie, but very few makers make them, and I didn't know if I wanted to spend a bunch of money on independently done one. So this is going to have to work for now. Actually, I think it will probably be the only one I get, but it's got this. I already broke the seal. It's the Amazon box. This is the Trick or Treat Studios Bubba Scarecrow mask from Dark Night of the Scarecrow. Not to be confused with Night of the Scarecrow. Dark Night of the Scarecrow. Night of the Scarecrow sucks. Dark Night of the Scarecrow, awesome movie. Old school. So yeah. Like I said, I just broke the seal, I haven't opened it up yet. If you haven't seen this movie, basically, this guy's, it's a smaller town. This guy's kind of slow, and the rest of the people in town don't really like him because he's slow in the head. And they end up killing him, and then Scarecrow comes back. Is it him? You have to watch the movie to find out. But wrap. Okay, here's the mask. It looks good. Right off the bat, I'm going to say, again, it's a mass-produced mask. Trick or Treat Studios. Right off the bat, I'll say the rope around the neck. I've seen other ones that looks pretty good. This looks like crap. Absolutely terrible. The paint is just caked on, but I didn't pay full price from their website. I got this off Amazon for cheap, so whatever. It does look good though. It'd be a good display piece. The mouth, the eyes are like a thick mesh. See that? Overall, it looks good. It's a decent mask. Even has the little bits of straw hanging out the top, like on the movie, kind of sticking out the side of the head up there. Tags. Trick or Treat Studios and Dark Night of the Scarecrow. I don't know if that's reading. But like I said, here's my only complaint. The rope. I mean, it looks okay, I guess, but just in some spots the paint's just mashed on there. But overall it's okay. It's a decently thick mask. It's decently thick. It really it holds its shape. It's all latex. Looks like burlap, but it's all latex. This, the rope, everything but the mesh. It holds its shape really well. It's really a solid mask. And it does look a lot like the movie. I'll give it that. It has a lot of you know, the eye cuts are the right shape and everything, so I like it for the price I paid. Yeah. Bubba from Dark Night of the Scarecrow. If you haven't seen it, check it out. Old school classic movie. It's got that guy in it. He's in a bunch of movies. So yeah, just figured I'd do an unboxing of this. It was at my house when I got off work today. It's cool if they make a mask like this. I will give that to Trick or Treat Studios. They do make some masks, like things like this that not a lot of people make. So, you know, a lot of people, I don't really think, this is one of those movies that's a good old movie, but a lot of people I don't think have seen it. Maybe they have, I don't know. I didn't actually see it till later on, you know, and I was like, how did I pass this up? But yeah, Trick or Treat Studios, Dark Night of the Scarecrow. Thanks for watching. Later.